Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are in Monroe, North Carolina, out here on a little municipal lake called Lake Twitty. I just like that name, Lake Twitty. We are out here. A little bit about this lake. It is 65 acres. There is a fee to use the lake with the boat and the fishing fee. It's $5. And hours, I will post the hours, but they don't open until 7 o'clock. And this time of year, it is, you know, sunrise is at like 6. So you kind of get a late start in the summer, but we're out here now, and let's go see if we can't catch some fish. There is so much. Look at all this. I don't know what that is. Some kind of seeds or something. All over the top of the water. And you would think that a frog in there would be killer. Look at all that stuff. That's all shaded, cool area. And I cannot get a topwater bite for the life of me. Hey guys, those birds up there have been pooping so much it turned the tree white. That is a lot of bird poop. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. Heck yeah. Woo. Yeah! Look at that chunky guy. Man, that thing is stout. All right, guys, let's get him back in the water. And now it's time for tackle roundup. What I caught that fish on, you know what, talk about irony. If you watched a couple episodes back, I talk about, if you watch the show regularly, you will know that one of the few techniques that I just loathe doing is throwing a green worm under a dock. And I just hate doing it. And that's what one of the cool things about this lake is. It's mostly natural. There's very few docks. But guess what I caught my lone fish on? Green worm under a dock. Oh man. Yeah, so that's what I did. This is a 5-inch stick bait, Cinco, big bite baits. The color is, it's that green pumpkin magic. I think it's green pumpkin with like some sparkles in it. Have it wacky rigged and threw it up under like one of the few docks that they have out here. And that was the fish. So, that's what we're using today. And we're going to get back to it. Try to get some more fish in the boat, some more non-dock fish. But that concludes today's tackle roundup. Hey guys, one of the cool things about this lake is it is limited. You're limited as far as what kind of boats you can bring out here on the water. You're limited to 20 horsepower, which means you don't have to worry so much about all the bass boats and the wake boats and the jet skis and all that getting in your way and causing a big stir. It's actually pretty nice and quiet. Well, I say that, and the farmer there just fired up something and is running it. But other than that, it's been pretty quiet all day today. So that's pretty cool. Come on, stay down. A nice one. That's a nice fish. Short and fat, just like me. Man alive. Look at how fat that guy is. Well, hey guys, I think I am going to wrap it up out here on Lake Twitty. Again, I just like that name, Lake Twitty. Had a really good time out here. It has just gotten incredibly hot, and as I stated earlier, this does have operating hours, so you gotta start at 7. So I started later than what I like to do, but I had a really good time. Was able to catch a couple fish. Those fish, man, they were only caught 2, but they were short and fat, just like yours truly. But so I'm going to wrap it up. If you'd like to know more about this fishing spot, you can look down in the description box. I'm going to put some additional information down there. But while you're there, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. The channel is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. So I will be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing. That is a lot of bird poop.